hop right into it. See what we got this morning. What we working with. Today is Tuesday, the 16th. Another beautiful morning. See if we can get an opportunity here to make something happen. Looks like it's actually popping off a demand as we speak. Real quick, let's go through our analysis of everything. We got news at 8:30. And then we're clear from there. So news at 8:30, clear from there. Mark it out real quick. I remember yesterday, news before 8:30, it was slow. Very slow. Alright. Top down analysis. So on my 4 hour. Kind of popping off a supply here. Got a little something down here. That's a big zone from there to there. Let me see if we got anything up top in here. So in the 1 hour, got this. How's that not marked up on the? I marked this up right. No. I was gonna say, how's that marked up on the? 15-minute. This is the same one I had marked up yesterday, I believe. 15-minute. Let's check out our 5-minute. Yeah, had everything within. We check something then. We had this marked up as a 4 hour. But we have a 5-minute, because that's what we're really looking for anyways. Holy moly. Huge zone. This will now be our time. Our 5-minute marked from our 4 hour there. So I'm really gonna keep this here. My guy Onyx. Looks like a liquidity grab might have just occurred. So it looks like there was a demand here in London. Possibly could have caught that. Boom, went up, come down, get in that breaking candle. Depending on where you put your stop loss, you might have got taken out on this candle. Yesterday I got it was tough. It was another day of taking out and then fly right to pretty much all three of my take profits. We had this marked up. We got in right here, break a candle, stop loss above. we had our 1-to-1. These were all 3 of my take profits, by the way. So we had a 1-to-1. Boom. I had another one placed. But I know for my second one that I already had placed, it was just for safety. I might have deleted it because I'm not gonna lie. I'm making impulsive moves at that point, especially if it's pushing down like this. So boom, when I go in, first it took me out. This is the thing that messed me up. It took me out, whipped up, and it came right back down. Dipped into my first 1-to-1. My second runner was under here. Boom, took that out. And then my third one was here. Boom, took that out. And then finally decided to reverse. So all 3 take profits that I just did not, I had set but got taken out beforehand. One, of course, afterwards. And then just missed this. This was not a bad little liquidity. I don't think I would classify it quite as a liquidity grab, but nice slow resistance. A nice quick scalp there. Alright, let me help the animals here real quick. I'll be right back.
This shit was all I knew, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something.
Alright. Actually, I haven't. My trading buddy in here this morning. Alright. $8:30 news. So only news I really have to worry about. Get rid of that. Let's get this ready. So we're down to about, I might risk, put some more risk on here. Yeah, we'll see what the setup is. We'll start here. Start there. If it's a nice setup, we'll increase. If it's a mid setup, we'll decrease. That's about the middle mark there. We should have done math, right? So it should be 1.33, it should equal. Yeah, 0.66. This is 0.67. Again, the system's not the best. Prefer trade locker. Grab my water. I just been feeling myself. I thought Jesus Christian Dior. I know my intro is Drake. He winning that Civil War right now. The GOAT. I need a Cardi outro or something. Let me look at this real quick. Let's lock in a little bit. This is what we're playing off of. But there's a resistance right there. We have gaps above. I guess we're pretty much waiting for a breakout. Breakout with hopefully a gap. Or a clear liquidity grab. Waiting for something clean to happen. Right now, in current price action, we have an uptrend. Got a higher high, higher low, higher high because this broke above this, and this is a higher low because this didn't break this low here. So we'll see if we create another higher high. Got about 19 minutes till news, so we got some time there. I didn't even check like the news to see if anything was going on this morning. Jesus, I mean, I just been feeling so with Jesus Christian Dior. See if we break this resistance here. I'm up these. Hopefully this candle skyrockets up. Big candle. And I can make this a demand. Right now I think the uptrend is what we're looking at. But it's hard to say with the resistance. Just waiting for a setup to occur or news. whatever we get first here. I won't be surprised if we got to add news. I'll delete this because it's not really anything here. It's just what's playing out. Maybe not even that. This playing out, so it's been going up for a minute. Nice gap, come back. Beautiful resistance. We got it up a little high. Maybe we got a re-entry here. Just riding it out. Here we go, finally breaking that resistance, looks like. Maybe. Well, I mean, we broke above it. Above the EMAs. Depending on how high the candles go, I'd mark this out as a demand because we do have a gap. Small gap. Between no, it's a very smaller gap. Small gap between here. A little thicker. Between there and there's our gap. Got closed up a little bit more. More of a gap, and our gap got closed. However, depending on which way, I might go for the liquidity grab, go down. I kind of got my aggressive entry. Aggressive entry would probably be down here. If we break to that. We're gonna break a candle. I'm gonna stay patient because we still got time in this candle. See what it wants to do. I actually might change my aggressive entry to here. We're setting that now. I'm gonna see what it does though, because I don't want it. It's still a little early. Still a little early. I want it to wick up and shoot up. Aggressive entry, it's just gap being closed. If we get that, we'll hop in, which we're almost about there. Boom, we got that. What am I looking for? Place my stop loss. Two, 3, 7, 5. 2, 3, 7, 5.53. $152.76. Let's say positive. 152.76. Entry, where's my entry at? Yeah, about right there. Right there. Almost right above here. So we're just looking for a quick scalp going down. liquidity grab. We get a break a candle, I may enter in the third position. Got in the third position. Let's look for a good runner. Look for a good runner. We got a bunch of liquidities. I would like a low to get taken out. Let's get rid of this. I might honestly just trail it. Yeah, I might either trail it or look for something like this to get taken out. There we go. That's the only plus. I see. This is our first close position. So I could take profit. I want that low taken out. Should have a stop loss for this. 253 point. .53. I think that's what it is. And so what's the be weird? Take profit for. Accidentally took a buy. There's no chance. I had to close that position. Bruh. I sold that. I was wondering why I was saying negative. So what the fuck? Now we really gotta. I pretty much will close that break even. $40 win. Stop loss. Let's change our stop loss. It's alright. Change your stop loss to in profit 2373.04. And then we'll just keep an eye on this one. Bruh. I was wondering why as soon as my take profit got hit, there was only like a little bit of. So pretty much gonna say break even trade. Accidentally hit wrong bar. I wish I could like manually move this. Stop loss. Can't wait, hopefully for a bleed here. Let me see. if I call quick math. So that would be 1% right there. So I need about to this low. I'll take profit. I'll go to here. 2, 3, 6, 4, 4, 8, 5, 4. Is the value just what I get? So I'll just do 500. Trade, risk-free trade. Kind of lost myself or jipped myself out of some profit there. I have news as well in 3-4 minutes. Maybe news a push down, maybe not. We'll see. Either way, I'm happy for the trade. Hopefully we get an opportunity prior to. I see what news could do. I have a supply here. I like that supply actually. Broke some lows. Straight off of it. Alright, other narcos. I don't even remember accidentally hitting buy. I guess that's the point of accidentally hitting it, but what a shame. Two minutes. Hopefully we don't get taken out beforehand. We're in a good position. That's the tough thing. I can't believe I really hit buy on accident. I would have had 3 beautiful positions. 2 take profits hit by now. I probably would have had a smaller third. My third probably would have just been under this. So 3 take profits, 2 lows getting taken out. Let me see what my EMAs look like on here, because that's what I may do. Switch this up a little bit. No, because then that's just like a really fucked trade. We'll keep an eye on it, because I still think it wants to go down, if I'm being honest. Now it's going to move my stop loss up a little bit. Maybe my luck, it just doesn't go down. Get another position here if we can do something like that. Went above 50. All right. I want the stop loss obviously higher. I just gotta hurry up because of news. 2, 3, 7, 4, 2, 7. Alright, so I got one position out safely. Oh, took them both out? Damn. Oh, wow. Took them both out for a loss. That's actually tough. Very tough. Let's move it like this. Alright, that's cool. That's fine. Now I'm looking at my sell. I got a good aggressive entry for my sell here out this 5 minute. I'm no longer trading the. I'm doing a different setup now. Part of my supply setup. Aggressive entry at the top of this. Pretty much candle flip. Actually can get rid of this. So I don't think I'm trading that anymore. I'm trading this. Let me stop talking and get this. Put my stop loss. Golly, why is it disappearing? We should not be. Put my stop loss instead of above my candle, above my zone. Let me actually keep an eye on it because we may just flip here. Stop loss 2375.49. A little bigger stop loss 378. Take profit is. Right here. That's our 1-1. Man, I don't even think that last trade it ended up being pretty much damn near a loser. Trade this to. We'll do it like this. Fill color. I give it a dub, but it was really I lost on it. Started when I hit the wrong buy. That's alright. Get an entry for a third position. Make sure you focus on that. It's a sell. Make sure I'm watching that. It's a sell. I wanted to see, make sure I am. That's 24 hours. Have a break of structure for a lower low. This would be a great win if we can get this. If it's a loser, it'll set us back for sure. By the way, it is what it is. What we're looking at. See it a little bit more clearly here. News over a few seconds. We have no more news till about what 10? What is that? 210, something like that. So me move on to the next trade. That's about to say I'm still thinking about the last one. I'm not. Move on. We're a new setup, a new opportunity right here. Let's focus on this trade right here. Get my higher time frame looking. So he's gonna break below that. I see how that rejected off to 200 in the higher time frame. Alright, a big resistance here. So I can see a lot of candles hitting that and then dropping down. I'm not really scared when it hits that area, knowing that we can get some rejections off of it. As we're seeing, we need a push down. We need a nice rejection off of this. Something to kind of go back to entry, break through all the EMAs, showing that it does want to start resisting this area again. Something to where I can get another entry. Sort of in that area. I'm gonna break through all these EMAs. Give my stop loss some breathing room. Usually it's above my line there. Since it was an aggressive entry, I'll put it at the top of the zone. Not knowing where the next breaker candle would be. Good rejection. I need one of these big candles to start dropping here. Hopefully we can feel some gaps down here to the left. I like that. And we got big gaps to the up here. Hopefully we can get it to drop. Strong resistance right here. Hopefully this is my 50. Hopefully my 50 can start to curl this below. We can get it to keep going down. Looking for like a continuation from yesterday as far as dropping. So what's looking for there. Close to my stop loss. How much time we got on this candle? A few seconds. Hopefully we can get it to drop towards the end here. If it starts pushing up, that might be kind of the one to take me out. I wanted to end under this 200. We got a few seconds. Alright, that was a good candle end. I like how that candle ended. We don't need this candle to be a Superman here. Right now we're still in a good position for following the trend down, since we did not break a high. This could still be a lower low or a lower high to hopefully create a new lower low to our TP. Where's my take profit? All right. Let me actually fix this. Oh, it is 378. That's good. Now we're just staying calm, collected through the trade. This would be break of candle entry actually right here. Would be a bad spot to get in for a small position. I think I'm just holding my 2 positions and call it that. I've already had enough risk for the day. Left on this candle, yeah, about a minute and a half. See if it takes me out here. Alright, both positions out. We took quite a loss today. I'm alright with that. So these are usually gonna fall back. Man, would have had, if I would have played that first one right, would have been done after that. Oops. That might be all for me today. I get a break and retest opportunity. As far as risk, me, 1 second, so I gotta log in real quick.
And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change places. No But pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me. And they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know. And I know them type of hugs. Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck. And I know they with they niggas, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, we'll talk.
Alright. Just looking at where we are here. And we were still pushing up. Might be a nice play later if it goes up there. So today was not so good. Took about 2 main losses, 2 setup losses, I should say. Just making sure we didn't break any rules here. So we're close. What's today's daily loss? Is that it? So we were close to our daily loss. How do I refresh this? And we were in good position too. Now we're kind of digging back. 2 ways I can dig back: small positions, slowly but surely, and just big positions and picky trades. How do we refresh this real quick? 1 second. Man, look at it. April, my worst trading month so far. 40% win ratio here. My worst I think I've actually done in. Worst I've done all time here. Hi. I got like a refresh button. Sorry, we'll check it tomorrow. See if it refreshed. Alright, didn't refresh. We'll check it tomorrow. Either way, not the best day. Losing day. Been on a little losing streak. But today that ends. Tomorrow, we're just gonna actually come and see what the market gives us. I'm not gonna assume anything or demand anything. Obviously, you lose, you win some. It is what it is. We'll get ready. We'll review these trades and then forget about them. And we'll call it there. Get ready for tomorrow. We got 2 more trading days. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. I get obviously setups every day. It's just how I take them. Still confident, obviously. With that being said, have a good day. Good luck on the charts if you're still trading. Peace.